What's up guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've seen a lot of comments from you guys asking me to show you what my skincare routine is. Over the past few months, I've been using products that have made my skin a lot better, so I figured I would share those with you guys today. So let's get right into the video. One step that's super important if you're trying to maintain good skin is to take off your makeup. And this is what I use. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. My friends Ruby and Nadia showed me this and it's one of the best products. I always use it when I'm wearing makeup because it really melts off eye and face makeup really well. This is the balm and I just take some of that on my fingers and put it all over my face to take off any makeup. I'm not wearing any eye makeup right now, but you can really tell that it's working when I am because the mascara is like everywhere. Now that that's all over my face, I'm just gonna wash it off. We're just gonna ignore the stain on my shirt and move on to cleanser. This is the Ole Henriksen, if I pronounce that right, Wonder Feel Double Cleanser. I just dampen my face before using this. I use it every day and night. And I just put this all over my face. Oh my gosh. I totally forgot about this step when I went to go use that cleanser, but this is my Clarisonic spin brush, and I think that's like the mini one. I just wet the top of this spin brush and then take that Ole Henriksen cleanser, and I just put some of that cleanser on the spin brush, and I massage the cleanser onto my face for like a minute. I use this every morning and every night to put my cleanser on. After a minute or so, I wash the cleanser off. I just washed the cleanser off, but I really like using the spin brush because then I don't have to touch my face, which I feel like is kind of gross. Anyway, moving on to the next product. This is the Sugar Face Polish. It's an exfoliator by Fresh. Again, moistening the face. Moistening? Is that a word? But then I take this exfoliator and I just apply it to my face. It smells really natural, which is great because products with really strong fragrances usually have chemicals in them, which isn't great to be putting on your skin. And I use it 3 to 4 times a week. You're not supposed to use it every day because it is an exfoliator, but I just leave that on for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it up. Hey Siri, play Shawn Mendes by Shawn Mendes.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Give me something I can take to ease my mind slowly. How do you just walk away? If I could put myself in your shoes, then I know what it's like to be you. Maybe to finally meet somebody new, because I had you, made you queen.
Okay, so now it's time to wash off the exfoliator. Okay, so my face is a little bit red right now because I just rubbed it very aggressively with this hand towel. So after exfoliating, sometimes I use this face mask. It is the Biotherm Wonder Mud face mask. And I don't use it every night, usually like twice a week. So I just put this face mask all over my face except like my mouth and my eyes. And I leave it on for 3 minutes and wash it off. Look how cool it is. It's like green. I'm out of breath from literally walking up the stairs. My camera battery just died, so I had to switch it out for my sister's. It has been over 3 minutes and this face mask is stinging, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off now. Now that I've taken the face mask off and I look less like a green smurf, I use this moisturizer. This is the Ole Henriksen Nurture Me Moisturizing Cream. And I use this twice a day. Just put a little bit on my finger and spread that around. I've been using this moisturizer a lot recently, but before using it, I use the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer, which is also really great, so I definitely recommend those two. And the last step in my skincare routine is to use the badescu drying lotion. I just take the Q-tip and dip it to the bottom to reach like the pink part. It's kind of weird, the part that you're actually supposed to put on your face settles to the bottom. So I take a Q-tip and dip it down to the bottom. And then this pink stuff goes on the end of the Q-tip. And I put it on any pimples or blemishes to dry them out and it makes them go away really quickly, so I really love this. And I only use that stuff at night because you're supposed to leave it on overnight and I wouldn't walk around for the whole day wearing it. But that is all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see me do next on my channel. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!